So guys, good afternoon. So we are back again for another video. So for today's video, we'll tackling about the part 2 exam of our computer programming. So let's start. First, I already saved the code that is have been asked by our teacher. So this is the question. So this is the question about our part 2 midterm exam. So the first question is, write an expression that calculates the area of a trapezoid that gives given sides AB and the height of H. So in order to find that, we must open first the Visual Studio. So just open the Visual Studio. We will wait. Then after that, create new project. And it seems to be a poor connection. Oh, luckily. So just put this project indicates what you are gonna use. It's either C++ or C or whatever whatsoever, or Linux, Mac OS, but this we will use the C sharp. Then create next. Then create, we will use part 2 to exam comprog. So that's the title name. So then create. We will just wait because it's processing. So as you can see, here is the output of our Visual Studio. The basic output is hello world, so we must clear this one. Then go back to the Word, Microsoft Word. Then copy the first given question, which is write an expression calculate the trapezoid. So this the expression calculates the trapezoid. Then copy, then put it here. Then run the program. We'll just wait. It's processing. It's building a project. So this part, guys, we will just wait because it's the operation technology aspect. This is always been show if you are first if the Visual Studio is gonna open. It's processing, guys. It's processing passenger. So we will wait because look at the loading. So as you can see, guys, please write trapezoid A as a base. So let's say it's the R base is 20 R base. Then please write the trapezoids B as a base. Also as a base. B is the trapezoid B. So let's say RB trapezoid base is 30. Then please write the trapezoid's height. So we will write the trapezoid's height. Let's say it's 90. Oh, it's 50 or 40. Let's say it's 40. Then as you can see, the result is the area of the trapezoid is 1000. So how we get that 1000? The solution is here. Base. So the formula of getting the 1000 is A, the quantity, the parentheses of A plus B, parentheses divided by 2 times the height. So we're gonna going the first thing must do is to plus the A base and the B base. So 20 plus 30 is equals to 50. So after that, divided it by 2. So 50 divided by 2 is 25. Then multiply by the height. 50 divided by 25 multiplied by height. So 25 times 40 is equals to 1000. So what that's where we're going to do how to get the area of the trapezoid. So the next question is, we must unclear this. And the second question is, write the program prints on the console perimeter and area of the rectangle by given side height entered by a user. So in this part, we will find the given the area of a rectangle and the perimeter of itself. So guys, we will just paste here. Then run the program. Run the program. So as you can see the result, enter the length of a rectangle. So let's say the length of a rectangle is 11. So enter the breadth or the width or of the rectangle. So let's say it's 12. So the area of the rectangle is 132 and the perimeter is 46. How do we get this answer is we use how we able to come up with this answer is, first we must add the two rectangle, the length and the breadth rectangle. We must add first and multiply it by 2. So 11 plus 12 is equals to 23. In order to get the base, we must first multiply it by 2 by itself, then add it. So 11 times 2 is 22. Then 12 times 2 is 24. So guys, as you can see, the product, in order to get the rectangle, we must multiply the length of the rectangle and the breadth of a rectangle. So 11 times 12 is 132. In order to get the perimeter, we must add the rectangle breadth and length. After add the two values, we must multiply it by 2 in order to get the perimeter. So that's how to run. That's how we come up to that answer. So let's proceed to the next question. Must unclear this. Then go back to the question. The third question is, the gravitational field of the moon is approximately 17% of that on the Earth. Write a program that calculates the weight of a man on the moon by a given weight on the Earth. So in order to calculate the weight of the moon, we must use this coding. I already saved it. So we will just copy, then go to Visual Studio, then paste, run program. After running the program, the statement shows that please enter the weight of the person. So I use my weight as an example. So my weight is 60. Then that is the result of the weight of the moon. It's 10.2. So we will proceed to the next question. Must unclear this. Then go to the last question, brother. write an expression that checks for a given point x, y if it is within the circle key 0, 0, and the radius 5. Explanation: the point 0, 0 is the center of the circle and 5 is the radius. So in order to find that one, here is the formula, getting the so we'll just run the program. Wait, something went through. Something wrong. So we must run this program. So here's the enter the x, the value of x. Let's say in order to get the true statement, we must come up with the XYR is equals to 25. So x must be, let's say, example 32, or let's say 7. Then enter y. The y is 2. This is the point 7, 2 within the circle. It's false. Simply indicate that it is false. So in order to get the true, we must try again and find some another solution. 10, 11. So it states also false. So we'll try again to find the true. Find the true. Press this. 6, 7. It's false. It's false also. So try another one. I'm sure this is gonna be run into true. Then 5. False. It's false. Try again. Then run. 2, 4. So that's the true. That's the true, guys. It's the point 2, 2, 4 within the circle. It's true now. So that's all, guys. That's all how I run all of the programs given by our teachers. So this video will be posted in the YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my channel, Jing'Z. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to keep an update about my video. So that's all, guys. Peace.